Did you believe your left and right brains were two separate personalities fighting for control? Today, we debunk that myth by exploring how these hemispheres function as a single, unified team. Although the large parts of both sides look exactly the same, with some minor differences for left or right-handed people, they are actually highly interconnected systems constantly communicating. In healthy individuals, these two halves work in constant, high-speed collaboration, ensuring that no single cognitive process is ever restricted to just one side of the head. This teamwork allows you to perform complex tasks like reading, which requires both the analytical decoding from one side and the emotional context provided by the other. Furthermore, neural plasticity allows the brain to adapt and share duties dynamically, meaning there is no strong evidence that your personality depends on one dominant side. So instead of thinking of yourself as having two separate minds, remember that your brain is a cohesive unit that blends analytical logic with creative thinking seamlessly. The most impressive fact is that in most activities, both hemispheres work equally hard together, making your brain a true team rather than two separate entities. Now you know that your brain is one powerful team, not two competing parts. What complex task do you think relies on both sides working perfectly together? Let us know in the comments.